Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out a viral lash hack, and we are going to find out if we can make my cheap lashes look fluffy and beautiful, make them look faux mink, maybe, perhaps. I don't know, but I've been dying to try this hack, and finally I was like, I need to just film a video. I have some lashes I want to try it on, and so that is what we are doing today. You guys can come on this journey with me and let's see how the lashes end up looking, and then hopefully you guys will try it too and let me know how it goes for you. But before we get into the video, I have a shout out. Ready? Up. Lauren Scott, thank you so much for blowing up my Instagram. It means the world to me when you guys show me so much love. I love you guys so much. Speaking of Instagram, I am doing a giveaway on there. And also, if you guys are curious how I got this look, I did do an Instagram video makeup tutorial. So you guys can head over there and check that out. Make sure you guys enter my giveaway on Instagram. It'll probably be up for like about a week. So as soon as you guys are watching this video, head over to Instagram and check that out. Also, we are so close to 2,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited and so grateful for all of you guys that choose to come and watch my videos and support me, like my videos, leave me nice comments. You guys are the best. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I've seen a few people doing videos like this, and I really wanted to try it out. And basically it's where you get some kind of like lashes that are not super wispy, and you make them wispy. And I want to see how it works. So I have a variety of cheap lashes that are not very wispy and are very like black and not very fluffy, and we are gonna see if we can fluff them up, rough them up, and make them look real nice and wispy and beautiful. So let's start with these House of Lashes lashes. These are in the style Feline. I've had this particular pair of lashes for like over a year and I've just never used them, and I just was never that into them. And you know what? I want to see if I can make them look nice and beautiful, and so I'm going to be using a spoolie. The trick to this lash hack is you use a spoolie. I just have my Anastasia brow brush spoolie, so I'm just going to use that, and basically you just rough it, and you just rough it up. I'm literally just going at it. I'm going to rough these things up, and like, it's definitely working. Whoa, look at that, you guys. Look how fluffier they are. That is actually crazy. This is really cool. I mean, you can see the difference clearly. Like, look how like, and then like, ooh, cute, you know? They're still not my favorite pair of lashes, so I don't really feel like putting these ones on. But you guys can kind of see the difference. And now I like them a lot more. I'm going to wait because I do have a pair that I really want to put on, and they are these ones right here. I think they're some type of Ardell lashes, the ones at the very top here, and I did put them on and they just look so plasticky and fake, and I was not about it. I was not into it. It did not look cute, but I'm thinking if we rough them up a little bit, I'm thinking if we rough these lashes up with that spoolie, get them really nice and fluffy and wispy, maybe I'll love them. And they are very dramatic, but they just did not do it for me. So let's see what happens. These are starting to look more and more like my Lily lashes in the style Miami, and less like $2 plastic eyelashes. When you guys have time and you want to let out some anger, some steam, just go at the eyelashes with the spoolie and just but look at the difference. Wow. I mean, they still look similar, but it definitely made a difference. Okay, so it's that time. You guys, I need to start removing my lashes like properly instead of just ripping them off, because I'm constantly forever losing eyelashes. I look crazy without eyelashes. Isn't that silly? Most people feel like they look crazy with eyelashes. I feel crazy without. So I'm just going to measure this to my eye. This is the wispy one. Oh my god, I feel like it looks so much better than it did when I tried to wear this before. So the lashes are on. I'm curious what you're thinking. Do they look the same? Does this one look better? Or is it like not even worth the time? I feel like this one looks a lot better. This one is still, it's actually better than I thought that it was. I don't know why I remembered it not looking as good, but I don't know, I feel like this lash hack is a thing. It's really cool. So I'm going to try it with a few more lashes, and I'm not applying these on as nice as I usually would because I'm just going to rip them right off, So let's move on to the next pair of lashes that we have, and these ones are, well, this entire thing is a set that I got on Amazon for like a couple of dollars. If I can find it, I'll link it down below because these are actually really pretty lashes. When I was first getting into lashes, I was not trying to spend a ton of money, so I was wearing these all of the time. I haven't used them in a while, and I had these two left, and I thought if I can kind of wisp them up and make them look even better, we should do it. So I'm just going to do the top pair. They're both the same pair. And let's start spooling it out. Okay, you can't deny that, right? They look a lot better. Yeah, so I accidentally cut too much off of the outer corner, so it doesn't look quite as fluffy as I would like, but I think that this looks pretty good. This time I switched it up. I have the fluffy, fluffed out lash on the side, and then I have the unfluffed lash on the side. Sorry they're kind of janky in the application. I'm so over applying lashes at this point, so I just didn't really try that hard. If you guys are beginners on applying lashes and you want to see how to apply them, I did do a video on that, and I'll link it up here, so you guys can go watch that. But I don't know, what do you think? I feel like this looks so much better, so much prettier, even though I accidentally cut a little bit too much off of the outer corners on these ones. But yeah, honestly, I think I'm a fan of this lash hack. And we have one last lash, and these are the Frightening Lashes. These are from Halloween, and I bought like 10 pairs. They are $2.98 at Walmart in the Halloween section around that time of year, and I just love these lashes for a Halloween look. And so they're already pretty fluffy, honestly. They look to me almost like faux mink already. They're so long and dramatic and beautiful, and I highly recommend them. But let's see if we can fluff them up even more and see if it does anything at all. Alright. I guess we're doing this side. I wish I had even more stiff lashes to try these on. I'm really into the wispy, fluffier lashes to begin with, so I don't know. I'm still going at it. Okay, that made a difference. You guys can see they look fluffier. I'm going to put these on, and I've been getting these for like the past 2 Halloweens in a row. I love these lashes. Oh my gosh, there's lashes everywhere. I actually think to finish off the video, I'm going to fluff up both of these equally. I feel like even though it doesn't make the biggest difference, it still makes enough difference to make me want to do it. Just to get them even fluffier. Like, even the lashes that are already wispy, just to get them even wispier, I'm down for the look. So I would recommend it. But this is as good as this lash application is gonna get. As I just said, putting on the last pair of lashes, I am fed up of putting lashes on, so I don't really care if they look janky. It's whatever. It is 10:36 p.m. and I'm gonna be taking my makeup off here pretty soon anyways. But yeah, what was your guys' opinion on the lash hack? Do you think it's cool? Will you be trying it? I'm very, very curious. I really like the effect. Honestly, I love wispy lashes, as I already had mentioned, but what do you guys think? I am so curious. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I know it was a shorter video this week, but I wanted to get something up for you, and as I said before, please stay tuned on my Instagram and check it out right now because there might be some new stuff on there that you need to go and see what it's all about, because I'm going to start doing a lot more Instagram videos too. And yeah, we're so close to 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed and hit the bell, turn on your post notifications so you guys can join me every Friday. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. You always gotta call me during my intros. Hello.
Are you filming?
I am filming.
Are you filming right now?
I am filming right now.
Why?
Why? What do you mean why?
Well, because then I get put at the end of the film, randomly. You look good. I like the look. Is that the... Which one is that one?
What do you mean which one is that?